Okay, go. That counts. That's 2. Oh.
Kill the monkey.
Get another clip.
Okay, right.
After him.
Yes.
After him.
I don't want to pick up the animal.
Dang, you
That was
suck.
the best clip.
Rolling.
Yes. Oh.
Come on!
That monkey's the hardest to get.
Come on, Evan.
Don't screw it. Get the cat first. Am I out of ammo?
Yeah, you're out of ammo.
Reload me, Nathan.
It's the untouchable monkey. I only got 2 clips. You got 2 clips of it. Yeah!
Yay! You've already beaten Nathaniel.
Do I have a
Nathaniel.
fork? Come on.
The untouchable monkey.
Yeah, try to kill the monkey.
Yeah, 3 more shots. Go! Come on, have more ammo.
Boo! That's cheating.
What? No.
Nathaniel only used two clips.
Yeah.
Fine. I got 3, I'll take it.
That's over.
Evan's a good boy.
Evan's doing homework.
I literally, he even said, come over, rookie, you can do homework with Garrett.
Why'd you say that, Nathaniel?
You get Evan to go.
It is. Factoring components, it's so easy. Like if it's 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 10. 10x, just like that.
Equals 74.
Exactly.
Was that actually right?
No.
I laughed at Which Xbox is it? There's 4 of them.
There's 4 Xboxes?
Do you even know how to do this?
I don't know.
Algebraically.
What is it?
Solve an equation algebraically.
We use algebra.
I'm worried, I just don't know what it means. Stop, Garrett. It just pretty much doesn't mean like find x.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. After he said, we'll just use algebra. I'm like, do I have to find x? So, okay, I put hair gel in. Router.
You did?
Yes, that's why my hair's not going crazy.
I feel his hair.
I surprisingly.
Oh, you put hair gel in it.
Why are you recording?
I refuse to put
I don't know.
That's why you're walking around.
I was gonna say when you fell from heaven, but I figured that was done. So can I eat a butt? You okay, bro? Man, I'm fine. Okay, just making sure. Our lobster's mermaid's discord for you. Brutally murdered by a serial killer.
Yes!
right in the middle.
Someone kidnapped and the death has to trap and chase the kidnapper thousands of miles with the help of mentally disabled woman. Wow. Who is this? Find him now. Cowboys come. Don't you ever wonder what they're doing? Nope.
God damn it, Garrett.
Garrett! Garrett!
Good job!
I didn't do it. It was Evan.
Ow!
Good job, Garrett.
You've knocked out the batteries.
Oh, I guess I should say good job, Evan.
I've knocked out the
You
batteries.
didn't do anything.
Then bad job.
Yay!
I'm in a box, guys.
What was it?
He's in a box.
Woo! Yeah!
I've ripped it. This isn't even my box. This is my cat's box.
Why'd you do that, Garrett?
That's fine. I have tape.
Bad monkey.
Remember when we were kids and we were small
Okay.
and playing boxes?
Yes.
I still am.
Monkey!
Go, Steven.
I don't know. Evan, you know you can do the other.
I know, I just don't care that much.
Oh, okay.
Well, no, why? Because you can do this.
And my phone number is...
I bet that looks super cool. Oh, that does look super cool, actually.
I'm having a ball.
Steven's about to kill himself.
No, Steven, no. What do you have to live for?
Nothing.
Humiliating Evan.
Guys, pull the trigger.
Bang.
Don't do that. Pull the trigger.